Good morning from the best campsite. I had 8 unbroken hours of not cold sleep. My tent is dry, my stuff is charged, and I was actually sleeping in the end underneath the Eyes of God, and now I'm going to go and look at the real ones.
What do you reckon? Eyes of God? Maybe. Cool cave though. Good echo. But I still reckon I picked the right campsite. There's a good little loop walk too. Nice views. That is the cave. It's actually a tunnel. I think the road goes over the top of it. But I didn't lock my bike on the other side. I just sort of wandered in, so I better hurry back.
After a great start to the day, I got a little bit grumpy in the afternoon. My back was a bit sore and I was somehow kind of sleepy. So when I arrived in Lovech, instead of look around, I found a cafe with a heater and I treated myself to coffee and cake.
Running late again, just south of the town of Lovech, on a bend in the river. I managed to find a little clearing just away from the main path, although the clearing is inevitably covered in toilet paper, as it generally goes. But I shall clean that up in the morning by way of paying rent.